Good morning, students. Today we are going to start lesson 3 of EVS, our clothes. Do you like to dress up nicely? Why did you choose to wear what you are wearing today? Do you know why clothes are important for us? Let us know. Now learn more about clothes and their uses. We wear clothes to cover our body. Students, why do we wear clothes? To cover our body. Clothes also protect us from heat, cold, wind, dust, and rain. So clothes protect us from these all things. Now we will discuss about types of clothes. First we will discuss about cotton clothes. The kind of clothes we wear depends on the weather. For example, in the hot months of summer, we wear cotton clothes. In summer, we sweat a lot. Cotton clothes absorb the sweat easily and keep us cool. In the cold months of winter, we wear woolen clothes. These protect us from the cold. We wear clothes such as caps, gloves, sweaters, scarves, and mufflers to keep our body warm. These all are woolen clothes that we used to wear during winter to protect from cold. When it rains, we wear a raincoat and gumboots to keep ourselves dry. We also carry an umbrella when it rains. It's time of question answers. So students, give me answers that they are true or false. So first question is, we wear cotton clothes in winter. Yes, you are correct. It is false because we wear woolen clothes in winter. Next question. We carry an umbrella when it rains. Yes, students, you are correct. It's true because we carry an umbrella when it rains. Yes, students. Now I am going to tell you very interesting fact. Many years ago, people used leaves, grass, and skins of animals to cover themselves, as you can see. Now, where do we get the cloth from? The material that we use to make clothes comes from both plants and animals. We get cotton from the cotton plant and we get wool from the hair of animals such as sheep, goats, camels, and rabbits. We use wool to make woolen clothes such as sweaters, scarves, socks, caps, shawls, coats, and gloves. As you can see, we use wool to make woolen clothes. We get silk from silkworms. Silk is used to make saris, shirts, kurta, scarves, and neckties, as you can see. The skin of some dead animals is used to make leather. We use leather to make jackets, trousers, belts, shoes, bags, and wallet, as you can see. all products are given that are made up of leather. Now we will discuss about some special clothes. Some people wear special clothes to work. Such clothes are called uniforms. How do you recognize the traffic policeman? Yes, by his clothes. His uniform tells us that he is a traffic policeman. School children also wear their uniform to school. Soldiers, policemen, and policewomen, nurses, postmen, and air hostess wear uniforms to work. As lawyers wear black coat to work. Doctors wear white coat to work. As you can see, doctors wear white coat. Soldiers, policemen, you can see every person. They are all are wearing their uniforms, and they are recognized by their uniforms. Sometimes we wear special clothes for special purposes. These are known as costumes. Every country has its special dress. You can see Saudi Arabia, Scotland, Japan. Every country has its special dress. People in different parts of India wear different kinds of clothes. As you can see in Kashmir and Rajasthan, they are wearing different types of clothes. So students, I hope you understood this chapter very properly. So read it again. Thank you. Bye bye.